In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files in Google Meet using Google Calendar. This is a really useful skill, especially for those of us relying on virtual meetings to collaborate and stay connected. Let's dive into it step by step. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and go to Google. This is where we begin. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll see a grid icon in the upper right section of the page, which is the gateway to all Google apps. Click on it to reveal a variety of apps we use every day. Among them, you'll find Google Meet, a powerful tool for video conferencing. Click on Meet to open it up. Once you're in Google Meet, the next step is to set up a new meeting. Look for the New Meeting button and give it a click. This action will present you with several options. For our purposes today, we'll want to choose Schedule in Google Calendar. By selecting this option, you can plan and send out invites for your meeting, ensuring that everyone knows when and how to join. After choosing to schedule in Google Calendar, you'll be taken to the event creation page. It is here that you have the opportunity to prepare everything you need for your meeting, including date, time, and invitees. But the key feature we're focusing on today is how to share documents with attendees. To do this, look for the option to add a Google Drive attachment. It's usually located near the description or notes section. Clicking this option will prompt a window to appear where you can choose which files you want to attach to your meeting invitation. This is where you can select relevant documents from your Google Drive. When you've chosen the files you want to share, click on them, making sure they're highlighted. Once selected, go ahead and click the Insert button. This action will attach the files directly to your meeting event. It's a convenient way to ensure all the necessary materials are readily accessible to everyone attending the meeting. After you've inserted the attachments, don't forget to save everything. Look for the Save button, usually at the top of the page, and click it. By doing this, you'll confirm and save all the details of your meeting, including the files you've attached. At this point, everything is set, and you can rest easy knowing your meeting invitees will have everything they need to participate fully. And there you have it. You're done. You now know how to efficiently share files in Google Meet. This skill is invaluable for maintaining seamless communication and collaboration in your virtual meetings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.